Hello, beautiful people. It is Monday, the new start to the week. I have so much cleaning to do. I started my period again. I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to think about it. On another note, we finally got monetized on here.
Please leave your message at the tone. Thanks for calling.
What? How? How did we do it? How did we do that? So crazy. I am still in disbelief. If you guys haven't watched last week's vlog, then you wouldn't know I'm still sipping on this. And I'm gonna be honest, it's really good. Let's start cleaning. I have a lot of cleaning to do, a lot of work to do, and then I might go see Kaylie later. She and her friend Sam are getting crumble, and I wanna eat cookies with them. Clip was me like, oh, Monday, it's a great start to the week, but screw that. Screw it. Screw it, screw it. Where's your mic? Oh my gosh, come on. I'm breaking out because I'm on my period. What do we think? I think I want to go away. At least I have my happy slippers on. I just took some Tylenol, so I really hope that it kicks in soon. And I'm about out, so I have to find my other bottle or else I'm gonna go stir crazy. Can't be sad when you're wearing slippers like these. Oh my gosh. Look what I just found. A little bit better, at least the kitchen does. Mine is still the cardboard I have on the floor over here. I'm on my way to Kaylee's now. Gonna meet Sam. I see you in the window, boy. I love you.
We're the same height, dude. That's the sugar cookie. Try some of this.
I just break it. Try it. So sugary, right? You don't like it? You love it?
I love it.
You don't know what to say.
They're
You love
so
it so much.
And you're a movie narrator, but literally,
I'm a nothing.
When the
Do you use a thesaurus?
no, I'm saying like
What? Do you use a
she talks like one
You
of
don't even know what a thesaurus is? You really don't even know what a thesaurus is?
saying how I was like, Brooke, how many states are there? And you're like 52, 53, 54, and I was like 50. You're like, oh,
What's the square root of 100?
remember what the square root of 100 is?
50.
What?
I forgot.
I taught you how. You know why?
Oh, because 10 times 10 is...
Exactly. So the square root of right.
Oh my god!
Okay, so the square root of 81
81?
is
9 times 9 is 81?
yes. The square root of 64 is. How about we do 25? What's the square root of 25?
5 times 5 is 25.
There you go. Good.
Only because it rhymes.
It doesn't rhyme. It's the same word. 525.
5, 5,
It rhymes, but it's the same word. 5 rhymes with 5. That's what you're saying. fought in the Civil War? Just say it.
No, what I'm thinking is not it.
Say it.
Nope.
Say it. Bro, who do you think fought in the Civil War? Just guess.
Soldiers.
The soldiers.
The soldier. Well, that's right.
The North and the South of America.
Not. What did you say? I remember.
Not the Pilgrims? Last time I said something Kennedy?
Oh my god, this time I was thinking of Abraham Lincoln.
No, but that's close.
right.
He really did,
What?
he ended the Civil War.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did not fight, but he did like finish.
He was with the North.
Yeah, he
was
ended
the
it.
president. Then how could he be fighting and be the president at the same time?
He didn't fight. He
You
ended,
just said.
ended slavery.
You said he fought in the Civil War.
He didn't fight, but he finished it.
What's pi? 3.14.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't
I've
think
never
I
said
asked
it like
you
that.
You know what the capital of the United States is?
Do you? Yeah. What's it start with?
W.
Oh. Wait,
She's like,
Washington? DC?
yes. Yeah.
Good job.
Do you know what the capital of Arizona is?
Nah. Oh my god, Brooke! Please tell me that you're lying.
There.
Do you know what the capital of Oregon is? Portland.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, Salem. Sorry.
Ding ding ding.
What's the capital of Minnesota?
Cheese. I don't know.
Cheese?
Cheese?
Yeah, you're
Is that
close
what you
with
said?
Wisconsin. She said G's.
And then, oh yeah, I asked her who was the first president of the United States.
And I said.
What did you say?
What did I say?
Guess again. You got a second shot this time.
George Washington or George W. Bush? You asked me something about stars.
She said, "Don't ask me something about stars."
And what did she do? Ask me something about
I said, "How many
stars
stars are on the American flag?" Do you remember how many stripes there are?
No, it's
Don't
like
say
13
anything.
or something.
Yes. You know why?
It's 13?
Yes.
Because-
you know why? Because of the.
13 colonies.
Do you remember what those are?
No.
Okay. Because Brooke doesn't know how to cook, so I was gonna make a thing teaching Brooke to
I'm a
cook.
lost cause. I'm talking about your Wii.
Oh yeah.
You have a Wii?
I have an OG Wii.
Wii.
And we didn't play it?
We didn't play it.
Hello, handsome boy. Hi. Handsome boy, have to go potty? Did I have to go potty? Shh, okay. Go potty. Hello, handsome boy. How are you doing?
Is I love the reception photos. Should I put it under? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I just like have been sitting all day. They were like the
Yeah.
architecture is cool, the mountains in the background.
Let's
I
go.
couldn't find it pretty. You know what I mean? Bring it off. We're on a mission.
What is that? Is that thing from Wizards of Waverly Place?
I don't know. It's gonna.
Why is that so scary? Those boots!
Gonna keep this loose.
Wait, what the heck?
I'm gonna
look up.
I feel like we've woken up every single morning in the bathroom with you.
Haven't we?
We have run out of Red Bull. We're gonna take Dace potty. We're gonna run to Costco. We're gonna go get some water and some Red Bull. I might get some English muffins actually because I really want to try out that new sandwich maker thing. Okay, what we've got on is a Harley Davidson t-shirt that I ended up just cropping myself. And then I have my old Calvin Klein sports bra underneath. But look at the back of the shirt. I'm obsessed. And then my Nike sweats that I wear literally almost 7 days out of the week. And then I've got my new pillow slides on.
Chit-chat, chit-chat. Good job, little boy. Be free. Okay, you're gonna keep the house safe?
It is much later. It's currently 10 p.m. Got back from Costco, unloaded the water, unloaded the Red Bull, and then edited the remainder of the day. But we're getting ready to head to bed now. Have a long day tomorrow. Have to be up early. Have a content day with Kaylie because I have never not seen Kaylie anymore. We are going to use my living room as an in-home studio because there's nothing in my living room that's taking up space for us to not be able to use my living room for a studio space. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go to Old Town Costco, get some content there. We gotta get content for her business, her brand, and then stuff for my intro and my outro here that you're seeing in this week's video. And so yeah, so we just got a shower and then head to bed. Ace is already in bed.
Love you.
So anyways, love you, and we will see you in the morning.
Good morning. It is Friday the 13th and it's currently 8:47 a.m. I'm here picking up Kaylie. I think she's bringing out her studio setup. She might need help actually. Oh, she told me to come in.
Good morning, vlog! If we get taken to jail for trespassing, Mom, I love you so much, and it wasn't me. We're just here to check the trash cans. That was dope cash money. And I feel like I'm shooting an Avril Lavigne music video.
I'm just gonna do one more of me walking.
How long? Success done well. Well done.
You know how the Bible says, do not be afraid?
Yes.
Have you ever thought that the feeling that you're feeling, being afraid or nervous or anxious, isn't actually what you're feeling? It's the enemy inside of you and it's casting it onto you?
Yeah. Because no negative feelings come from God.
And we are the image of God.
Yeah.
We are made of God.
Yeah.
So naturally, we don't feel those things.
Right. It's like we were like born into sin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what the frig? Why are we always letting worry us?
Sometimes it's like so much easier to like be sad, because you know how there's like, it's okay to be sad, it's okay, like yes, I understand, like
it's normalized.
It's normalized, but also it's like you can't have light without darkness.
Yep. Exactly. My freaking poles are caving in! Whoa, you have perfect lighting! Holy cow! Oh my god! These are so cool! Oh! Okay, let me show you this angle.
Dace, get off. Off. Okay. No! How did that happen already? What the heck? Jeez. Anyways, we didn't film yesterday because all we did was this. And I won't be filming that much today either because all I'll be doing is this. So, oh my gosh, there's another one.
this is why people don't let pets on the bed. No. Put your butt down. But yeah, I'm just going to make my bed because I'm gonna film it for TikTok. And that's all we're gonna be doing today. So enjoy the clip of us making our bed.